All right, Whitlock. So I was burning some incense and playing the bongos naked when it hit me. Coach is just a late bloomer like me. Can Strong save his job by beating OU?
No, and I'm going to make this short and sweet and to the point. The president and the athletic director have changed since he got the job.
Big trouble.
There's one game doesn't fix his problems. He's got huge problems. No, one game won't fix it.
6'7", 5'7", and now in his third year, 2-2, and probably 2-3. Mark Richt has turned around Miami in an hour.
Oh, come on.
I mean, seriously, Mark Richt, Urban Meyer, Ohio State, the guys that do it, Jim Harbaugh, a year. It doesn't take 3 years to turn around college football.
So you're saying they lose to Oklahoma, he's out the door Monday morning. Is that what you're saying?
I'm saying they lose to Oklahoma. The president and AD have made their minds up. Listen, Mark Richt,
oh my goodness,
in 4 games, Miami looks like a different program. Urban Meyer didn't lose a game.
He inherited Brad Kaya, the great quarterback. He's going to be a pro next year.
Urban Meyer inherited 6-7, went 24-0 in conference.
Ohio State.
College football coaching mostly stinks. You can win big, fast if you're good.
Brady Hoke won instantly admission.
Brady.
God.
He did!